In 2016, a $2.7 billion settlement was reached with Volkswagen after the company was found to have falsified vehicle emissions data. The goal of the settlement was to help reduce nitrogen oxide emissions from the transportation sector, and DEQ was chosen as the lead agency to manage this effort in Oklahoma. After meeting with stakeholders, it was decided that a portion of the settlement would be used to install electric vehicle charging stations across the state. The ChargeOK program was born. In November 2018, DEQ began taking applications for the ChargeOK program, and in April of 2019, awardees were notified and the work to install charging stations began. The first station, located just off of Highway 9 in Norman, became fully operational in October 2019. The ChargeOK program has thus far provided grant funding for 75 chargers at 27 stations throughout the state. DEQ is now taking applications to install more electric vehicle charging stations in Oklahoma. It's our goal to use this round of funding to fill in gaps in the charger network and to ensure that stations are located no more than 50 miles apart on major roadways. If your company is interested in applying for a ChargeOK grant, please go to deq.ok.gov for more information.